guys, I'm Sunny and this is Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today I'm making ham and cheese sandwiches using stale bread. Right, let's get straight into it. Right, straight off, let's start by making an egg mixture. We're going in with 2 eggs, a couple of tablespoons of milk, a good hit of pepper, a sprinkling of salt, and a generous grate of nutmeg. Give a mixture a whisk. Right, our mixture is combined. Let's set this aside. Right, I've got this nice stale bread which I'm just going to cut into thin slices. And you can just hear how stale this bread is. And this is going to make the most amazing cheese toasties. Right, we've got 6 slices of bread that's going to make 3 sandwiches. I'm just going to move this bread to one side. I'm going to clean down my board and then we're going to start building our sandwiches. And we're going to start with a base of Dijon mustard on one side of each sandwich. A little bit of this goes a long way, so be careful. I'm just going to give this a nice spread on one side of our bread. Okay, mustard on one side, and just for balance we're going to go in with some mayonnaise on the other side of the bread. And at this stage on the mayonnaise I'm just going to give just a sprinkle of pepper. Okay, my bread is ready. I'm going to go ahead and slice my cheese. Right, I've got some sharp cheddar cheese here which I'm just going to slice into thin strips. You can grate it if you prefer. I just prefer, for the size of sandwich I've got and the size of bread I've got, I prefer slicing it. It's going to be easier for me. Right, we're going to go straight in with 2 slices of our beautiful cheese, straight onto the mustard side. Wonderful. And then we've got some of this beautiful ham, which is just going to lay on top. This is beautiful cured ham, really rich. A little bit goes a long way. Right, cheese, ham, mustard, mayo on. Let's go ahead and fold our sandwiches. And top our sandwiches, sorry. Right, place your mayonnaise side on. We're looking good. Wonderful, just give them a nice press. Okay, let's bring back our egg mixture. Right, I'm just going to grab my sandwich and just place it into that egg mixture. Beautiful. And again. Right, I'm just going to let this stale bread soak up some of that egg mixture while I coat my pan with a touch of olive oil. Right, circle the pan, make sure the olive oil is coated the pan nicely. Let's go straight in with some good quality butter. All right, and while the butter is melting, we're going to go ahead and turn our sandwiches so the other side gets crisped up as well. Like I said, you want the bread to soak up the egg mixture, which is seasoned with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. And then once your butter started to melt, let's go ahead and add our sandwich to the pan. And this is just going to bring life back into that beautiful bread that's now been rehydrated. Right, let's get our last sandwich in the pan. Beautiful. And like I said, just keep it at a low to medium heat. Let that bread nicely crisp up and let the cheese inside and the ham just melt together and get to know each other. Right, we're going to leave these in the pan for about 2 or 3 minutes per side. Right, these have been in for about 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and give them a flip. Beautiful, look at that. Outstanding. That's exactly what you're looking for. Look at that colour and that crust. Right guys, what we're going to do now is go ahead and give these a generous sprinkling of Parmesan cheese on one side. Beautiful. Beautiful. Going with a sprinkling of pepper just to top them off. Let these crisp up on the other side and then we're going to go in the grill and just get that Parmesan nicely toasted. Outstanding. Right, these look wonderful, just about ready to go into our grill and toast up that Parmesan on top. But before I'm going to put them in the grill, we are just going to top them with a little cherry tomato, just as a bit of garnish. Right, in the grill they go. Okay, literally 35-40 seconds. Just let that Parmesan toast up nicely. Right, that's literally been 35-40 seconds. Let's take it out and serve these up. Right, these look outstanding. So happy with these. What a perfect lunch. See those toasted Parmesan bits that are just crisped up on the edge of the bread? Beautiful. These look outstanding. Right, we're going to finish these off with just another garnish of fresh Parmesan and just a basil leaf just on the side. Right guys, and there you have it. These are my perfect ham and cheese toasties using stale bread. Right, these look wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and do the taste test. Before I do, guys, I'd just like to say, if you're enjoying my content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. We're releasing 7 videos a week, that's 1 a day, so show us some love. And if you want me to try a specific dish, put it in the comments below and I'll try my best. Anyway, enough talking, let's get stuck in. Right, let's slice into this beauty. Let's have a look. That looks amazing. Right, let's get stuck in. Absolutely stunning. Right, that is the perfect balance of flavours. You need the mustard, you need the mayo to balance it out. You need that nutmeg, just a touch of it. The bread was crispy on the outside, soft in the inside. Cheese is oozing. Good quality ham makes all the difference. Simple, delicious, wonderful. Guys, this isn't just delicious. This is Sunny's effing delicious. So good.